Stepping into Beitou Park, the atmosphere shifts immediately to tall evergreens and tropical leaves. The park sits above natural geothermal veins, so the air feels crisp yet warm, and a gentle mix of mountain breeze. As I follow the paved walkway, sunlight dances through the canopies ahead, creating shifting patterns on the path. These streams carry minerals like sulfur and iron, shaped over centuries by geothermal activity. This wooden structure, designed with Japanese influence, is the park's restroom. In the 1900s, Japanese settlers turned this region into Taiwan's first major hot springs resorts. In Taiwanese culture, lilies symbolize purity and renewal, which fits perfectly here in one of the country's most therapeutic regions. This small stone bridge leads to a shaded corner where locals gather and enjoy the breeze. Beitou Park has been a community space over a century, long before the MRT reached the parts of Taipei. Blooming lotuses thrive in Taiwan's humid climate and bloom beautifully throughout the summer. My next stop is the Beitou Public Library, one of Taiwan's most beautiful and eco-friendly buildings, designed to blend directly into nature. This was one of Taiwan's first certified green buildings, using solar panels, recycled rainwater, and natural ventilation to cool the space. Stepping outside, another clear spring flows alongside the path. This elevated wooden walkway follows the river, curving naturally with the landscapes. Bamboo clusters, ferns, and lush vegetation surround these paths. These winding routes were intentionally designed to mimic traditional mountain trails, giving the urban visitors a taste of nature without leaving the city. This is a very peaceful place, a reminder of the natural forces that shape this entire region. Now, I continue towards the historic station, a landmark that preserves the early history of Beitou's hot spring tourism. This wooden pavilion houses an artistic water table that resembles curved pathways and a miniature terrain model. And here it is, the Xinbeitou Historic Railway Station, built in 1916 during the Japanese colonial period. The old blue train car represents the early days when visitors traveled here specifically for the hot springs. A beautiful contrast of old and new, the open courtyard blends early 20th century architecture with the modern MRT tracks overhead. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoy POV travel and learning about culture, subscribe for more journeys across Taiwan and Asia.